Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this unboxing today because I've been searching for a long time now for the perfect makeup storage solution. And although there are so many options out there, nothing's come close to this JOSEPH Viva Large Cosmetic Organizer with removable mirror. This product was only recently released, and when I first saw it, I thought, gosh, finally! I knew this was worth the wait. I think I've mentioned in my other videos or on my Instagram that I've been decluttering our home, and this also included skincare and makeup. The idea is to keep a minimal collection of only what I need and use often, maintaining the same amount of products and only repurchasing to fit the space that I have. It's nice to see the full Viva range, so if you're smashing your minimalistic goals a lot better than I am, there are smaller organizers in this collection to store your makeup, or you could also have them as add-ons to the large one and collect a few. Oh, there's also a message from the Joseph twins, Anthony and Richard. We're fans of the Joseph designs in our home and have been using their innovative products for many years, so I'm more than happy to welcome this new addition. Let's get this out of the box and take a closer look. The large Viva measures 30 cm wide by 9.5 cm deep and 12 cm high. Also good to note that JOSEPH comes with minimum 2-year guarantee on their products, and I'm pretty sure they deliver to most countries, but I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you'd like to check them out. There's a drawer here and subtle branding on this metallic plate. Up on top is the removable dividers and 2-in-1 mirror, which is a plus that I'm glad they included in this set. In the drawer there are also compartments, and the dividers are removable. I couldn't tell from the website, but this is a bonus as it won't limit the size of products I want to place in here. That is a nice surprise, and being able to dismantle this organizer also makes it a lot easier to clean. Here you can see how the drawer slides in and out. Unlike regular ones with grooves on the sides, this one works like a whole container moving in and out from the center that keeps a clean aesthetic around the drawer. There is a magnetic closure to easily line it up when closed. Now let's unwrap the mirror that fits nicely in here when not in use. I don't know about you, but I can't do my makeup with a large mirror on my table and always need one up close to do the job. It feels like a good size in my hand. This side is a 3x magnification, then lift to raise the handle, so you can hold this in your hand or simply slide it onto the organizer. You can attach it to the front, the side, and also at the back. And if you prefer to store it away, in it goes neatly at the back. I'm just going to remove the sticky tape holding the top dividers from moving while in transit. I love versatility in everything from fashion to technology, and I strongly feel it's really important in product design. The fact that you can lift the preset compartments opens up different ways we could each use this, and I'm sure all you creative minds out there would have great ideas on how you would display your makeup. If you notice, the base on this corner is raised higher in this section, and that's excellent to give brushes or pencil products that added step up to complete the overall look. Little things like that add a lot to the user-friendly experience, and I can absolutely appreciate. Let's have a look at the drawer divider. So it's curved on one side and straight at the other end. I wonder if both sides fit in anyway. So the correct way is curved side facing up and the straight edge at the bottom. It won't fit otherwise. Alright, so to get an idea of how I'll be using this, I'm just gonna start by seeing what fits where. We've got cotton pads that work here stacked upwards or to the side. I've got my well-loved naked palette, which I was hoping could fit in the drawer if the dividers are removable, which now I know is possible. There's still heaps of space and length to drawer, which is great, but the divider won't fit back in, so bear in mind if you have an eye palette in a similar size. This is where I was going to place my naked palette originally. I kinda like how it looks here, but let's see when I start putting everything else in place. Now for lip products. Standard lipsticks should fit just nicely. I've got a couple here from Lisa Eldridge. Also her beautiful Gloss Embrace. Goes well in the same space. Tom Ford, a gift from my ex-colleagues. And that covers the regular round and square lipsticks. Let's try some unique shaped lipsticks. The Dior Addict Lacquer Stick just about sits on top without pushing it in, so it's a bit snug on the sides, and I wouldn't force it further down. Then there's this Dior Lip Maximizer, which is in the same packaging as the Lip Tattoo, and I think the famous Lip Glow as well, which I don't have with me anymore for comparison. So let's try having them standing up and see how that looks. Yeah, so it fits 4 of them in a row. With longer lip products like these, they lay nicely in this side compartment. But lip pencils and eyeliners are just a tad long. Let's try with mascara and brow liners. So yes, still a bit long as expected, which means they can go right into the back corner that's slightly raised for easier access. I was thinking of using some of the smaller compartments to hold compact palettes. I think they would look nice displayed upright. I recently got this cushion foundation from Cosmetics. And the cushion highlighter as well. I'll link it in the description if you'd like to see my review of Cosmetics. Okay, so now we've got a better idea of the storage space. I've got all my makeup here with me, and let's start organizing.
I see you pulling up to meet me in your car. I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me. I know we're friends, but baby, something's on my mind. So I apologize apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you. No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, so should I pretend that the feeling isn't true? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? Love you like I do. Can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? Can I pretend I don't love you like I do? I know at times you find it really hard to sleep, but I can fix that if you sleep right next to me. You're so confused about the way I look at you. It's not intentional, I'm trying to find the right time to tell you no. If the whole world breaks, seeing what's at stake, would you be my girl? Would you be my world? No, I can't break now. Let me show you how. Loving me is what you need, and it's a fact and simple. Loving me is what you need, and it's so simple. Loving me is what you need, and it's so. Yeah, loving me is what you need, girl, it's so simple. It's a fact, it's simple. 'Cause loving me is what you need, I can feel it when you go.
And there we have it. I'm really impressed with how everything has its place and there's still leftover room to work around. The drawer is great to store additional cosmetics, backups, and accessories. I might actually redo this section and see what else I can fit in here.
You just don't seem to see it, so no, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do?
It's so satisfying to see everything well organized, and I have to say my collection is a lot more than the regular minimalist. I still have a bit to cut down, and for some of the products here I'll be using them up with no intention to repurchase, so there's going to be even more space in this organizer. I might start storing hair accessories in here as well. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and review of the JOSEPH Viva Large Makeup Organizer with 2-in-1 mirror, and found it helpful if you're looking for storage solution ideas. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Take care everyone, and I'll see you in my next video.